Hi, I'm Stuart Lawrence, Technical Services Manager here at Wren Kitchens. The following guide is to show the simple steps to replacing one of your kitchen doors.
Check all packaging for damage. Lay the box down on a clean flat surface. Open carefully and remove the protective packaging. Lay your replacement frontal face down using some of the packaging to prevent damage. Additional hinge parts are provided. Remove the door by the quick release mechanism behind the hinge plate. Take out the fixing screws and remove the hinges. Prepare the new frontal, inserting the hinge dowels into position. Place the hinges back into position on the new door. Insert and fix the screws, making sure of hinge alignment. Refit the new replacement frontal back onto the cabinet. Adjust to the required position.